Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the US dollar yen just keeps on posting up. I keep saying if we have a breaker structure to the downside at a fib level, I would definitely become bearish. Definitely has not broken structure to the downside at a fib level yet. So we have impulsive up either A or 1. We have corrective down either B or 2. We're in either a wave 3 or we're in a wave C. We look for longs either scenario, whether it's a 3 or a C, until we get a breaker structure to the downside at a fib level. And depending on what fib level that is, tells us a lot about whether it's a wave 3 or whether it's a wave C. We're actually not even to the 78% Fibonacci extension of this yet, so it definitely still could be an ABC of wave Y, like I've been saying. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, since there's definitely no reason to say that this is over, anything we see to the downside, unless it goes all the way down here and breaks this low, we should assume is nothing more than a pullback within a uptrend. So definitely still looking for longs until we get that breaker starts to the downside, preferably on around the 4 hour time frame at a Fibonacci retracement or a Fibonacci extension level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.